Hi and welcome to Case Club. Today we'll be reviewing our waterproof Phantom 4 compact case. Made to be as compact as possible, it's perfect for when space is tight. It's designed to hold your DJI Phantom 4 and accessories. First, we'll talk about the layout of the foam and then the features of the case. When your case arrives, you'll need to remove the foam plugs. Be advised, this is our upgraded Gen 2 version, which includes various improvements, including improved lid foam and a stronger case shell, among other updates. In the base, we have 6 battery cutouts, which can be converted to extra accessory storage if you don't have that many batteries. Furthermore, the main drone cutout does have a battery relief so that a battery can be stored in the drone, which is great for quick deployment. The case will fit all major tablets, including the iPad Air and iPad Mini. Just be sure to measure your tablet to confirm it fits within the max dimensions. The remote control cutout can hold the DJI Phantom 4, Phantom 4 Pro, or Phantom 4 Pro Plus remotes. 4 small slots hold SD cards nicely, organized, and well protected. The case can hold 1 Phantom 4 drone, including the standard Pro or Pro Plus, 1 remote, 6 extra batteries, 1 tablet up to 12 inches by 7 inches by ½ an inch thick, a few sets of propellers, multiple SD cards, along with extra spots for accessories. We've included more protection under the drone. Knowing the camera and gimbal are the most delicate parts, we have a soft convolute foam pad nestled below, which supports both the gimbal and camera from moving around when in transit. If you choose to leave the gimbal guard in place, the foam will still fit. Unlike other foams, our foam is a closed-cell military-grade polyethylene, which is known for its ability to absorb shock, and it's closed cell, so it won't absorb liquid and you can easily wipe it away. The first feature you may notice are the relief cutouts in the lid. These ensure that added pressure is not put on the drone motor or main body, which would then put more pressure on the skids at the bottom. Unlike other cases on the market, our case is designed to hold the drone down by the arms, which is pinched between the lid foam and the base foam, ensuring it does not get damaged. The motors fit nicely into the relief cutouts in the lid without pressure. The foam in the lid is a much softer convoluted polyurethane whose ridges help to secure everything in place. And around the perimeter of the lid is a gasket seal, which makes the case 100% waterproof. The case features 4 snap latches with positive feedback, 2 padlockable points for added security, a manual pressure relief valve so that the case can be opened at any altitude, a light orange peel texture to help prevent scratches. In back, there are 2 strong mechanical hinges with stainless steel pins, which are one way so that they cannot be tacked out, feet so that the case can stand upright on its own, a handle that folds down to stay out of the way when not in use, as well as ribs to help deflect impact. You can find this product and many more at caseclub.com, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.